Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Weather with Ryan, the most comprehensive weather forecast on YouTube. Now, today, the Storm Prediction Center has issued a Day 2 outlook for the Arklamass region. There's a moderate risk that has been issued. The Storm Prediction Center is obviously concerned over long track supercell thunderstorms that will happen in the overnight hours around 0Z, which is 7 p.m. onwards out to then. So let's take a look at the dew points. The dew points, 64 up in western Kentucky, 65 down the lower corner near Memphis, 65, 63, 67. This is down the Arklamass region. So obviously dew points are pretty nice for this severe weather event. If you live in Monroe, Vicksburg, Jackson, Canton, if you live anywhere in the moderate risk, obviously know what you're going to do during severe weather. I know we're getting to that time in the year whenever severe weather is getting more prevalent. So I feel like this is going to be the start of severe weather season. I mean, we're already we're in the latter half of March. We're getting into April. It's getting that time of year. Know what you're going to do during, obviously, if severe weather does happen. Let's take a look at the severe weather probabilistic for tornadoes, SIGTOR, 15% hatched region for Jackson, Vicksburg, Monroe, just basically anyone who's inside of the moderate risk. 15% hatched. You also got a 10% hatched risk for Memphis, Dyersburg, Covington, all the way up in there. 5% risk for Nashville, Paducah, Hot Springs, Texarkana, Hadesburg, Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Huntsville. Then you got the 2% risk for everyone else. Let's go take a look at the wind. Oh my. 30% hatched risk for Yazoo City, Greenwood, Grenada, Oxford, Memphis, Dyersburg, Covington, Jonesboro, Newport, Searcy, Little Rock, Pine Bluff, Arkadelphia, Camden, El Dorado, Monticello, Plattsburgh, Ruston. 30% non-hatch risk for Murray, Memphis, Union City, Hopkinsville, Paducah, Murray, Sykeston, all those places. Then you got a 15% risk for Birmingham. I wouldn't consider the severe wind threat being as prevalent for, the 15% and I'm assuming that's 5%. I actually don't even know. But obviously the main wind threat is going to be in the 30% hatch risk for anyone, obviously in the hatch risk and in the red. So obviously be prepared for wind and all that. Let's take a look at the hail. So not really a hail threat. I mean, obviously there's a 15% risk for hail. We can't rule it out. But so far, the main threat for this event will be tornadoes and wind. Mainly wind so far. Obviously there's a 15% hatch risk. The Storm Prediction Center is looking into long track severe thunderstorms that can produce, tornadoes. So just want to be weather aware tomorrow. If you live anywhere in the moderate risk, enhanced, and slight, you just got to be weather aware. Also, about the rain, there's going to be a stupid amount of rain. I don't have the models to show you, but the low pressure, so far the models have been showing the low pressure will be going over St. Louis. That's why obviously we're getting all the severe weather in this area. So there's going to be a lot of rain that'll be going on, affecting portions of the bottom portions of Indiana, southern Illinois, and western Kentucky. Western Kentucky is going to get a lot. That's obviously where I live. So we're going to be getting a good amount of rain, around 3 to 5 inches, I believe. So if you live in a flood-prone area, just be prepared, know what you're going to do, obviously. Obviously, I hope you've been prepared and you know what you're going to do in the case of flash flooding, because flash flooding is going to be a very big risk. There is a level 3 out of 4 risk for flash flooding down in western Kentucky, lower portions of Indiana and southern Illinois. So just be prepared. Be prepared. Don't be scared. Great words from Ryan Hall. Anyway, that'll wrap it up for this video. I will continue to update you guys on the upcoming severe weather and all that. New models coming out. I will see you guys in the next video.